one-stop total solution provider.
And how are you responding to that requirement?
From concept to solution to check the form, fit and function.
How to prepare and control the quality of powder.
We have over 120 different alloys, 5,000 saplings at our Dodballapur facility. Sustainability is something which is the topmost important thing for INDO-MIM. A one-stop total solution provider.
Very glorious future.
Thank you.
Maybe it is very much important as a global supplier, lead time, and how are you responding to that requirement?
So INDO-MIM, as you know, is a manufacturing company over the last 27 years based out of Bangalore. We have been engaged in metal injection molding technology. And this technology, as you know, is a quantity intensive technology. Most of our customers, we are a single source. And hence both lead time and quality become very, very important for us. So for maintaining lead time, as a company, we have 30% spare capacity on it. So that in the emergency, for some reason, there is a breakdown on any machine, be able to allocate another resource.
And also you can respond to requirement of increasing quantity from the customer side. Because for example, in consumer product, maybe requirement fluctuate very much. So you are ready to respond to that requirement, which is very important for big player.
Yes, because our customers are again using us as a single source. So in the event their requirement increases, they don't have anybody else to turn on other than us. In case of surge requirements, as you rightly said, they have nobody else other than us to talk to. So when they come to us with higher requirements, we are able to allocate capacity for them.
You must satisfy your customer requirement because you are only supplier to the customer.
Correct.
So you have, in a sense, they are what shall I say,
dependent on us.
I understand.
And the other thing you asked about is quality.
Yes.
So quality is something which is utmost important at INDO-MIM. So we have in-process inspection in place. At every stage we ensure that there is process control and there is a very good amount of IoT which is being used inside the company. All the processes are monitored. We have Six Sigma black belts inside the company who have good amount of process capability index in place, and they are able to administer the data so that we are a data driven company.
Even in that case, maybe it is difficult to take care quantity at the same time quality, because as you said, sometimes all of a sudden big increase requirement from the customer side, but you must keep good quality during while you respond to that requirement. So it is very sometimes delicate issue.
It is a delicate issue, you are right, and it is also difficult. But if you have a good controlled process in place and if you have written instructions, then what we do is the additional capacity which is allocated, only follow the process. So this is something that we have been following. And INDO-MIM has been one of the global player, as you know. About 95% of our sales is export, and that is something which is helping us. We thank all our customers who have been extending patronage to us.
I think most important thing is experience. You have been responding to that situation for many years, and maybe it will help your situation.
Absolutely right. I think it is our customers who give us an opportunity, and we utilize the opportunity, we leverage on the opportunity, and every new customer that comes to us, every new product that comes to us enables our engineer to learn from it, and then we deploy this learning across different markets, and that is something which has enabled us to retain the world leadership position.
I understand. MIM has a lot of experience in the business for MIM, metal injection molding business. What about other processing? Other capability?
Right. So we started metal injection molding way back in 1997, and after developing a lot of new materials and variety of different components, what we have done is we have also branched out into investment casting. So in the year 2009, we started investment casting at a plant in Tirupati. And in the same year, we also started precision machining and surface coating for aerospace markets.
Aerospace, okay.
Yeah. And in about 2018 time frame, we thought about also getting into powder manufacturing. So this was an idea of backward integration. We are already doing metal injection molding. We thought we should also make powders. So we have started manufacturing gas atomized powders at INDO-MIM plant in Bangalore. And little later, we also got into 3D printing.
3D printing, okay.
Yes. So this way, we have a bouquet of services. The concept at INDO-MIM is that we provide you from concept to solution. So you come to us with a problem and we try to give you a solution which is from any one of these technologies.
So you have wide variety
Yes.
of metal component processing.
Right.
So any question or request, you are ready to receive and make a feedback, right solution.
Yes.
Or something.
And we have sales representatives working with us across various countries where English is not the common business language. In Korea, we have another sales rep working for us. In Italy, in France, in Germany, we have requisite national speaking working for us. In Turkey, we have somebody who's Turkish. In Israel, we have somebody who speaks Hebrew. So this way, we are taking the technology to the doorsteps of the customers.
I understand.
Yeah.
And so you have several, what shall I say, manufacturing capability.
Right.
And what is the most, what shall I say, promising technology you think in the future?
Well, it's a little tough question for me to answer. As far as next 5 years, I see, or at least 10 years, I see metal injection molding to continue.
Of course.
Being one of
it
the
will be your main
focus.
Role, yeah.
But as we go along, I feel that 3D printing technology or additive manufacturing technology will certainly take lead, and that would certainly come as a complementing technology to metal injection molding.
Regarding 3D printing, can you explain a little more details about your capability? For example, how many printers do you have?
Right. So additive manufacturing technology is something we started about 5 years back. We started with LPBF, that is laser powder bed fusion, and then we quickly got into binder jet printing also. So on LPBF, I think we have about 3 machines in India and 2 machines in USA. On the binder jetting, we have 2 machines in India and another 3 machines in USA. So binder jetting is a beautiful technology which allows you to more or less mimic the MIM process. Because in binder jetting, you produce the green part by printing, and then you sinter it, very similar to metal injection molding.
What you mean is you can utilize experience and the technology that you have established in MIM manufacturing.
Correct.
You can use it to 3D printing binder jet as well.
That's right. So this was a very easy step for us to take because we have been doing metal injection molding for over 25 years. And we have been able to really gain expertise in predicting the shrinkage which is administered during sintering. It is difficult. Over 20% shrinkage, right? The same 20% shrinkage, over 20% shrinkage is possible in binder jetting. So, whatever knowledge our team gained over the last 25 years by doing MIM, we were able to quickly gather that and apply to binder jetting. So, we have had very good successes in binder jetting. And believe me, today there are designers, especially in the Western countries, which are designing for 3D printing.
So now you are getting more inquiries.
Yes.
For 3D printing.
That's right. So as our tagline says, complexity simplified. In a similar way, we are able to simplify the complexity for our customers, and the designers are able to combine multiple parts into a single assembly and design an integrated part to challenge us on binder jetting. and
I
our engineers are
understand.
doing multiple challenges, multiple challenges they are taking up, and they are doing an excellent work of producing these designs into binder jet parts.
And the important thing is you can respond to any request, inquiry,
Yes.
because you have such wide range of manufacturing
Technologies.
methods. I understand.
And with binder jet, as you know, or 3D printing, you are able to even print two parts. So if somebody needs a prototype, you don't need to invest in a mold. You can directly print the part using a CAD model, and this is something which is useful for you to check the form, fit and function.
So for small quantity requirement, you can respond by binder jet.
That's right.
And the big quantity, you can do MIM manufacturing.
Metal injection mold.
Okay.
Quality powder is very important factor for MIM. So how to prepare and control the quality of the powder.
Yeah, thank you so much, Mr. CEO, for that question. So we started getting into powder manufacturing probably about 8 or 9 years back, because we thought this would be a natural backward integration for us. So we have put in about 3 atomizers, and we are producing these powders not just for our own captive consumption, but also for selling outside for additive manufacturing applications. I am so pleased to tell you that today we have over 120 different alloys that have been made by our team, our powder manufacturing team. And all these powders are classified, are qualified at our own labs. And they have enabled us not just to meet our customers' requirements, but also to participate in various research-led development projects.
Okay.
Yeah.
Good. Okay. Does it have sustainability plan now?
Oh yes. So as a company, INDO-MIM, probably you know, is one of the largest companies in the world in metal injection molding space. And as a commitment to saving the environment, and also as one of the natural requirements from most of our global customers, sustainability is something which is the topmost important thing for INDO-MIM. 96% of our energy consumed at our manufacturing plant in Bangalore is secured from green energy resources like solar energy and wind energy.
Okay.
Additionally, we have planted about 5,000 saplings at our Dodballapur facility in Bangalore. That helps us to reduce our carbon footprint. More than this, we are also using biodegradable plastic bags for packaging of the parts.
Okay.
So as you know, we ship parts to about 45 different countries all over the world.
Yes.
So all these parts are packaged in polythene bags, because most of our parts are very small and dispatched in bulk. Right. So what we have been doing is we have been making use of biodegradable plastic bags now, so that we do not add to the landfill of the environment. So we are a very environment conscious company, and we have a large sustainability wall that has been created inside our company. When you come to our plant, you can see, all our customers can see, that itself demonstrates the commitment of INDO-MIM to saving the environment.
Okay.
We are INDO-MIM. We are the world's largest metal injection molding company, providing concept to solution for our global customers. We have approximately about 650 customers across 45 countries who come to us for seeking solutions to their problems. The way INDO-MIM starts is we look at a problem or a pain point at the customer, or we get a drawing from the customer against which we provide a solution through various technologies at our end, starting from metal injection molding, investment casting, precision machining, additive manufacturing, ceramic and titanium injection molding. We have diverse technologies under one roof. So in a way, we are a one-stop total solution provider. Please do come to us for all your component and sub-assembly needs.